Welcome back. Goa Yuva Manch at Khandepar has demanded a new parallel bridge alongside the existing Khandepar bridge. They claim that traffic congestion on this bridge creates inconvenience to the commuters. The youngsters have urged the state government to decide on the bridge by 19 December.
The members of Goa Yuva Manch staged a dharna at the Khandepar bridge. They are agitated as their long-pending demand of parallel bridge is not fulfilled. Have a look at this traffic flow on the bridge. They claim that the traffic congestion on this bridge creates a lot of inconvenience to the commuters.
म्हणल्यार स्वातंत्र्य जावन गोयचे 50 वर्सां जाली तरी हे पूल वायडनींग जायना आनी एक वेळा ह्या पुलाचेर ब्लॉक जाता आनी जवळ जवळ 3-3 वरां 4-4 वरां हांगा लोकांक तिश्टत रावचें पडटा. अत्यंत म्हत्वाचो असो हो पूल जो सांगे तालुक्याच्या अनेक लोकांक तशेंच 70 तालुक्याच्या फोंड्या तालुक्याक जोडणारो पूल आसा.
The youngsters have urged the government to take final decision on the bridge by 19th December.
हो खांडेपारचो पूल जो आसा तो खांडेपारचो पूल हो जवळ जवळ फोंडेचो लायफलायन आसा. फोंड्यान दूध भाजी सगळे जे फोंडेकारांक जाय आसता गोंयकारांक जाय आसता ते बेळगांवच्यान जे गोंयान येता ते ह्या पुला वयल्यानूच येता आनी सरकार कित्याक खबर ना ह्या पुलाचेर अजून लक्ष घालना. गोंयच्या स्वातंत्र्याच्या 50व्या वर्साच्या निमित्तान सरकारान एक घोशणा करची की 6 म्हयन्या भितर ह्या पुलाचे तेंच्यांनी कितें तरी निर्णय घेतले. 19 डिसेंबर पर्यंत सरकारान हेजो निर्णय घेवचो आनी हेजे कारवाय जी आसा सरकारान 19 डिसेंबर पर्यंत लोकांसमोर मारची.
Prudent had highlighted this issue on 18th October. Now, Goa Yuva Manch is out demanding a solution. Our reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Now, news from sports. Goa Football Association have begun preparations for their Golden Jubilee International Friendly. Zambia will play a Goa 11 side on 26th November, while the 18th ranked side in the world will take on India on the 29th. Deputy Chairman of the Organizing Committee, Elvis Gomes, told Prudent the tickets have been priced at a reasonable 100 rupees for both the matches. GFA is hoping that fans will pour in thousands at the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Fatorda.
The I-League matches have seen a few spectators coming in at the Nehru Stadium, but GFA will be hoping for the fans and spectators to pour in the stadium come the 26th and 29th of November for the Golden Jubilee celebration match.
There's a lot of excitement on these upcoming matches between Goa and Zambia and then India and Zambia. We expect a good capacity crowd, and we have priced the ticket very modestly at 100 rupees for both the matches. Okay. Of course, VVIP we are going to charge 1000 rupees and VIP 500 rupees, but accompanying that will be a lot of snacks and other such items that will be given to the spectators.
Okay. So both the match tickets will be 50 rupees.
50 rupees, yeah. 50 rupees means we are only bringing out one ticket, okay, which is transferable.
It's been a long time since the PGN Stadium was packed to its hills for a football match, with fans roaring and cheering for their favourite teams.
Also, it's been a long time since a foreign team of this caliber has come into India. Zambia, as you know, is ranked 80th in the world FIFA ranking, and they are very exceptionally good quality players. They have qualified in the African Nations Cup twice, and regional twice, I mean to say, and in 2012 also they have qualified, and it's a pretty good team, you know, for action to be seen at the PGN once again.
Sadly, the kickoff time of the matches will remain similar to the I-League matches, that is 3:30 p.m.
See, football cannot be played in these kind of very extremely hot conditions, tropical conditions. At 3:30 is really unrealistic time, but then we can't be choosers. We just have to live with that.
So this match is also going to be starting at 3:30 like the I-League?
This match is going to start at 3:30.
Okay. Administratively, what have you planned in terms of the parking for the match, in terms of that aspect of things?
What we have decided is, you know, it's going to be first come first serve basis. Okay. And those who get in, there are very limited slots for parking. Those who get in first will get it. Likewise, we have made only one ticket for all the stands. Okay. So those who come in first will get the sitting arrangement on the west side. Others will have to be content with going on the other stand. See, since we are currently in the I-League season, we have a good established network of volunteers, okay, who will be roped in again. By and large, the committee also, organizing committee, has been kept the same.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Sunny Narvikar from Panji.
The Goa Rugby Football Union has been entrusted a massive task by the Sports Authority of Goa of renovating the Kampal multipurpose ground. Following the change of venue for the tournament, GRFU has taken it upon itself to work on the Kampal ground. The renovated area could feature a full rugby field, a football field bordered by a 400-meter track with adequate area kept aside for a cricket playing field. President of the GRFU Anish Keni told Prudent on how the union is planning this renovation.
The Kampal ground has been home to many sports and sportspersons over the years, but this ground is in much need of upgradation. SAG have shown faith in GRFU to perform this task.
See, basically what we did was we are working on the ground now. We've realized a few things that have to be worked on immediately to make sure the ground is not ready for just a tournament. But what actually gets you to tournaments is the development in the state that attracts the authorities from outside to know that the sport is developing well, the sport is doing well in the state. So let's, help these guys move ahead with that sport. So we've come out with a ground management plan where we're going to allocate the turf for rugby. Okay, have a proper drainage system under the turf, because there are two wells which are existing on the ground, and have it well connected. So we water it, we play, we develop the turf again, we again water it. So we have the whole ground managed by us by a well-designed plan where everybody works together to execute it.
In terms of finances, as SAG said, who's going to put in the finances? Is it going to be GRFU or is it going to be SAG?
Right now, SAG has been very, very cooperative. As I said, Mr. Prabhudes has been fantastic. He's understood exactly what we have to do, exactly why we have to do it, exactly why we've even moved the tournament over here. Because putting all our reasons together, as I said, in the end of the day, we're developing the sport. We're developing the sport in our state. And together it's going to be a development universally of everything, for the regular sportsman. So they've been fantastic. And I would put it like Sports Authority of Goa, Mr. Prabhudes, he's been like our godfather through all of this. Yeah.
So the budgets are completely being put in by them. You all are just executing the plan.
We're executing it. We are giving them a well-designed plan as to where the funds will go, where they will be diverted, who would be investing in which part, and how exactly the whole thing is going to come out by the end of it.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar from Panji.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.